Okay, you guys, so I am bringing you guys the Target ad. This is coming to you from totallytarget.com, and I learned how to record from my computer screen so you guys don't have to look at my dirty Chromebook machine anymore. So this is the Target ad for 8/5 through 8/11. So let's just go ahead and take a look. So it looks like Tide and Unstoppables, when you buy two, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. I think we got Unstoppable coupons in the P&G. We also got those 3-off-1 Tide coupons. And then there's also a cartwheel coupon for Tide. So you can use 2 of the 3-off-1 coupons for Tide. So that can make for a pretty good deal. Also the Gillette razors. These guys are on a buy 2 and get a $5 Target gift card. And then we have those 3-off-1 coupons from the P&G. So doing quick math, you would buy 2 of them for $17.98. You can take $6 off in the manufacturer coupons, making it $11.98. And then you get a $5 Target gift card, making it $6.98 for 2. Okay, so moving on, we have popsicles, 2 for $7. Go page 2. Page 2. Okay. So we have $5 graphic tees and leggings and denim. Now this is their price for the whole back to school season. So just keep that in mind. So it's not just this week, it's the whole back to school season. Looks like tees are $4, the plain Cat and Jack tees. Fun fact, the Dollar Tree sells Fruit of the Loom shirts for $1. So if you just need solid shirts, try your Dollar Trees. The graphic tees are $5. Also, tanks and camis are $4. Also, the leggings are $5, and the Cat and Jack dresses are $8. And my daughter loves these so much. So I highly recommend the Cat and Jack dresses for girls. Looks like we got some activewear, some shoe deals, and if you heard someone burp, that was definitely Tanner. So we have more backpacks, so we're going to see back to school. So this is an ongoing deal, you guys. So 50 cents for the Crayola crayons and the Elmer's glue, 50 cents. Erasers, 50 cents. Up and Up pocket folders, 50 cents. 99 cents for the colored pencils, the Bic pens. If you have those Bic coupons, this is going to be a freebie. The Crayola markers, filler paper. Some more back to school deals here. Get your scissors at the Dollar Tree. If you have that Bic coupon, the mechanical pencils come out to 39 cents. 100 count of Up and Up index cards are 49 cents. I got a 200 pack at the Dollar Tree for $1. So, you know, if you want to do Dollar Tree, you can. Dollar Tree has scientific calculators, just FYI. Moving on. Men's shirts, not really on sale. Exhilaration Sleepwear, 25% off. BOGO bras. This probably includes maternity bras too and nursing bras. Move-in ready. Hold off, you guys, on all this furniture because it's going to be clearance. Once back to school clearance hits, all of this stuff gets clearance. So if your, kids don't need their furniture for their dorm rooms or wherever they're going, have them wait and get clearance. Have them sit on the floor for like a week and then they can hit clearance. But I still think that this is a great deal for sheets. So $25 for the Threshold sheets is great because that's a better quality at Target. The Threshold bath towels, these guys are $6.50. Opal House, looks like they have their sleeper sets. This is more of like a trendy brand over at Target. Save $10 on the 3 cubes. Oh, let's see, 2, 4, 6. The 6 cubes. This is $49.99. So you're gonna save $10. What else? Oh, Up and Up. No, Room Essentials 30-piece tools and gadgets. This is great. 99 cents for flatware and dinnerware for Room Essentials. 99 cents for the glass. Okay, so also there's a nice little savings on the knife block. Microwaves, Magic Bullet. This is great for in a dorm. Definitely great for a dorm. Electronics. Now keep in mind, if you wanted to buy like an Apple Watch or iPhone or whatever you want to do at Target, you'll save 5% with your red card. So definitely have your big purchases with your red card. Acer computer Chromebook, $149.99. I own this for, I use this for blogging and making my thumbnails and searching the web, and I love it so much. So I highly recommend this little Chromebook. There's not a whole lot of memory on it, but for, you know, blogging purposes and just going online, it serves its purpose quite nice. The HP printer is still on sale for $39.99. You're saving 40 bucks. What else? The movies, Life of the Party. I want to see that movie. Let me know if it's worth my time to watch it. Is it as funny as I think it's going to be? Diaper Deals. So Pampers and Huggies, these guys are buy two, get a $10 Target gift card. We have printable Huggies coupons on coupons.com you can print. We also have insert coupons from the Smart Source for Huggies. Those expire on the 18th of August. And then the Pampers coupons from the P&G, those guys expire on the 11th of August. And then Infamil, Similac, when you buy two, you're going to get a $10 Target gift card. You can use rebate checks. If you get those in the mail, you can use your rebate checks and still get the gift card. Similac, there is some Ibotta rebates for the Similac. Let's see. 2 for $5 for Captain Crunch, I think, is a pretty good deal. Love when this deal rolls around. Okay, so when you buy two K-Cups, Archer Farms, they're $7.99 each, so you have to buy two. So let's do quick math. So you're at $15.98 for two of them, and then there's a 5% Target cartwheel that you can use to shave off a little bit more. This is an excellent deal. $5.99 for the bag Starbucks coffee when you buy three, and there's checkout 51 rebate, so that's an awesome deal. Frosted Flakes and Cinnamon Toast Crunch, 2 for $6. We have manufacturer coupons for those. There's printable Kellogg's coupons on coupons.com. I will have a link below for you guys. Faya yogurts, buy 4, get 1 free. We have those rebates for Faya yogurt on Ibotta. 75 cents back on 2. This is a good price. 2 for $10 for the Oscar Mayer bacon. That's a good price for bacon in my opinion. Also have 2 for $5 for the Nabisco Chips Ahoy cookies and club crackers. There was a $1 off 2 for the Keebler club crackers in the red plum. So let me see. I might actually have that coupon next to me. It came from the red plum, $7.29. So thank you, Vicki Fellers, for sending me that and writing which insert it came from. Thank you. Also, Pepsi is 3 for $10. You guys know that Fetch Rewards Pepsi is a bonus item. $2.99 for the peanut butter, 40 ounce. I think that's a good price. And then we have those checkout 51 rebates for the Chips Ahoy cookies. All right, so you get a free $5 Target gift card when you buy 2 of the items over here. So the Charmin toilet paper, the Bounty. I don't think this is a great time to. I think it's better when we get $1 off 1 coupons for the Charmin and Bounty. I think that's the better time to do this type of deal. BOGO 25% off for Band-Aid. So you can do the Up and Up brand Band-Aid and then use the 5% Target cartwheel. Buy 4, get a $5 Target gift card. So any of the items that you're seeing here. We already talked about the razors. This would probably be a let's see, 3 count. I think we got a 3 off 1 coupon for Gillette, but let me know in the comments below if I'm mistaken. I'm pretty sure we did. $5 Target gift card when you buy any 3. Highly recommend the St. Ives, you guys. The coconut coffee scrub, highly recommend this guy. The Cetaphil, there's printable coupons for the Cetaphil. $5 Target gift card when you buy 3 Maybelline. 99 cents again for the Annie's mac and cheese. That's really good. 2 for $5 string cheese. That's a good price. So this is the Target ad. So thank you again, totallytarget.com. I'll have a link to printable coupons so you guys can go ahead and print. And as always, Target cartwheels refresh on Sundays. So we might get some even better deals to pair with this ad. We just got to wait for the cartwheels to come. So thank you guys so much. Let me know if you guys preferred me recording from my computer screen, and I will definitely continue to do that. So I will talk to you all soon. Bye.